Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am self-relaxing my hair for the first time. Sak pase, jodi a mwen pral montre nou koman mwen met permanent nan cheve mwen pou kont mwen. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. I am doing this at my own risk. If you cannot relax your hair by yourself, you should go to a professional or have someone else help you. I'm using conditioner and hair grease to coat my previous relaxed hair ends. I am using the pre-part method that I learned here on YouTube from Hairlicious. So I am sectioning my hair into very small section. I applied the conditioner to the previous relaxed hair, and I also used the hair grease to put on top of the conditioner. This will prevent my previous relaxed hair from being over processed again. I put on gloves. I set the timer for 10 minutes. I apply the relaxer on the back section of my hair first, where my hair is mostly coarse. Once that 10-minute timer is up, I will set the timer again for 6 minutes. So this entire relaxing process took me 16 minutes in total. Okay, so I am rinsing off the relaxer. This step is very important. You don't want to rush this step. You want to make sure you take your time to remove all trace of the relaxer from your hair. Prends son pour retirer toute permanente là dans cheveux. This is very important because if you don't remove all the relaxers from your hair will continue to process, which is not good. Okay? So what I'm gonna be doing after I remove all the relaxer from my hair, I'm going to be neutralizing it with the olive oil neutralizing shampoo, and I'm using the three-step methods from Hairlicious. So I'm going to shampoo my hair 3 times, but each time that I shampoo my hair, I am leaving it in my hair for 5 minutes, okay? So chaque fois ma ba un shampoo, mette shampoo nan tête m'a kite shampoo an pour 5 minutes. M'a fait ça 3 fois. The relaxer took to my hair very good. I am very happy with the result. My hair still has texture, but yet no under processing parts. I am very happy with the results. I'm trying a new deep conditioner today from Mega Growth. It is a protein conditioner, and this deep conditioner is amazing. It reminds me of the ORS replenishing conditioner. Amazing slipped, very moisturizing. I moisturized and sealed off camera using the Giovanni Direct Leave-In conditioner, and I sealed with grapeseed oil. I didn't want the video to be too long. I did my first self-relaxing at 22 weeks post-relaxer. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment below the longest time you've ever stretched your relaxer. Until next time, bye guys.